What's up everyone, Allan Morrow here, and today I just want to talk through just a bit of a layering advice and when it comes to sort of layering, just some sort of things to maybe look at. Recently I've had a few clients who have had some layers for their trance leads, for example, and they've got two layers, and the second layer is very similar to the first one. And when you listen to them both together, all the second layer is really doing is just giving it maybe, say, a little bit more low end. Now, these two layers are very similar sounding. So what I would do, instead of doing something like that, where the second layer is only creating like a little bit of difference to it, like for a little bit of low end, for example, what I would do is I'd go back to the first layer and have a little listen to see, can I add a little bit more low end in there? Have I cut too far? And most cases, what I see is that if I basically mute that second layer, go back to the first one and add a little bit more low end in it and just turn it up a little bit, it sounds a lot better than the two layers just being together. You have a lot less like things sort of phasing and stuff like that, other mixing issues that you might come up with. But that's one way that I find will definitely help you with your layering. As I say, when someone's listening to those two layers, what they're generally hearing is, okay, it sounds a little bit louder because the layers are doubling up, and there's a little bit of low end. So they think, okay, well, this is adding low end in there. But try to go back to the original source, the first sound first, and just see, can you get those characteristics that the second layer is giving back in the first one? And I find that you get much better sort of results when it comes to layering up. So what you might have to do as well with the first layer is to emulate what the two layers are doing, is maybe just turn it up a little bit as well. But as I say, I just think you'll get better results by layering that way. So yeah, as I say, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please do so and hit that like button. Plenty more content coming, and if you would like other tips as well, more in-depth tips on layering, then be sure to check out my Trance Leads layering tutorial, or the other layering and depth tutorial that I've got on the website there as well. That'll definitely help you out with these sorts of areas when it comes to layering and stuff. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.